So today's recipe is a lasagna modified from the Crazy Busy Keto book. Now this one took it a little bit too short. It's a microwave recipe, and also they didn't cook the pepperoni. There were a few tweaks that I made because I don't want it that simple, but it's still really simple. You're gonna love it. Hi guys, today we're gonna make some lasagna. And it's going to be so simple, really easy. We're going to use a little bit of breakfast sausage with some Italian seasoning. Then we're going to use some tomato sauce with the rest of our Italian seasoning in it, some ricotta cheese, a package of pepperoni, and mozzarella cheese. So let's go put this together. To make our easy keto lasagna, we are going to start by frying up some sausage with Italian seasoning. Now when the sausage is almost done, just a little bit of pink, I add the pepperoni just to help it get a little bit of crunch. It doesn't need as much cooking as the sausage does. Now that looks really good, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And I've got about half a cup of tomato sauce here with the rest of my Italian seasoning in it. You can do half a cup, you can do a full cup, all depending on how fond you are of tomato sauce. Me, not so much. Okay, we are going, remember this is really simple. We're just going to take our tub of ricotta, yes.
Ricotta?
Yes, gosh, I can't speak. Our tub
of ricotta.
Yeah, we're gonna take our tub of ricotta and just line the bottom of this. Now we're going to take this delicious, greasy, remember we need our fats, greasy sausage and pepperoni mix and pour that in there. Like all good casseroles, you're just layering stuff on. Now we're going to take our Italian seasoning and our tomato sauce and give it a little mix and pile that on top. And top it off with some mozzarella cheese. This time we get quite as heavy because, well, I don't know why. Why would we ever not want to go as heavy on the cheese? All right, and now we are going to put this in the oven at 350 until the cheese melts. Oh, it looks like 10 minutes was the perfect amount of time. Look at my lovely organization. I'm super glad that I cooked the pepperonis first. I think the ricotta could use some seasoning, to be honest.
Normally it does, actually. Ricotta? For regular lasagna? Because they add, like parsley and...
Yeah.
Or whatever,
right.
I don't know. Because there's always, like, the little green stuff in the ricotta.
Right. Well, in this book, she did not advise it, so did not do it. I did add it to the sauce because I thought, oh, let's spice this up a bit. But I didn't think about the ricotta. I should have actually put it in the ricotta.
Was it good?
It actually is good except for the ricotta.
Okay.
The ricotta just feels like it could use a little, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. Well, shouldn't talk with my mouth full. People, try it. Let me know what you think. Tell me what changes you would have made.